It is written in the stars. It is written.
Hey loves, it's Emily here, back with another video for you guys today. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to start your first Roblox YouTube channel with tips and guidance. You guys have been requesting this a lot lately, and I really wanted to make this video for you guys today because it sounds really fun and it's really helpful for you guys as well. Anyways, let me know by commenting down below if this has helped you or not. Anyways, let's begin. There's a wide range of free available softwares, and you don't need any fancy or expensive softwares. For editing, I would recommend you using iMovie. It's a great platform and I use it a lot when I edit my videos. I do recommend you trying it. And now, for the screen recorders. There's plenty of options for screen recorders, and you don't need a really expensive one just to film a high quality video. I recommend you guys using OBS or QuickTime Player. They're both amazing and they're both a really good platform. Quality is really important when it comes to content, and I recommend you doing is spend time editing your videos and not rush it, and put as much effort and time into it, because I know a lot of people out there rush their editing and it doesn't come out the best. But if you just spend a little bit of time editing and not rushing, all that hard work will pay off eventually. Another really important thing is to be original. I know a lot of you guys might say it's hard being original because all of your ideas have already been taken or have already been done. For an example, if you do role plays, think of a real life situation or things that you do on a daily basis. Or for another example, if you do speed builds, just search up an image on the internet or maybe build a house in your neighborhood. Another really important thing is to be entertaining. You want to keep your audience entertained while watching your videos, and not to make your videos too long or too short. Try to be interesting as much as possible and try to make it enjoyable to watch. Try to be active as much as possible on your channel. Try at least posting 1 to 2 times a week at least. Another thing that I recommend is having a timetable or a schedule to keep track on when you're going to post a new video and have it ready to post on that day. And I find it really helpful to have one of those. Having a custom icon and banner is really creative and gives you such a good look and style on your channel, and just makes your channel look so much prettier and neat and professional. Having a custom thumbnail is really creative and gives your audience a sneak peek on what your video is about, and it will make them want to click on your video even more of having such a unique and cool thumbnail. Being yourself is the most important within all these tips. It's the key to your channel. It expresses on who you are. Don't try to be someone else on camera. Be yourself and post things that you like. Don't post just for money or fame. Post things that you like to do, not just doing it for someone. Do it for you. Hey loves, it's me again. So that's all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. and I did spend a long time editing this video, but I enjoyed editing it and it was really fun to do, and I hope these tips helped you guys, and hopefully this can help you start your first Roblox channel. Anyways, that's all for today, and yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye!